Hi all, let's quickly take a look at connectors. Connectors, also called linking words or transition words. Connectors are words or phrases used to join ideas, sentences, or paragraphs. They help make your writing or speech more clear, organized, and easy to follow. Connectors also help the reader or listener understand the relationship between ideas. There are several important connectors in English grammar. Now we are going to learn about the different types of connectors, their uses and why they are important. I will explain how and when to use each connectors in a sentences with clear examples to help you understand better. Connectors are important because they show the logical relationship between sentences and ideas. They help make communication more clear, smooth, and easy to understand. With connectors, readers can follow the flow of your writing easily and listeners can understand your message better. They also help you avoid writing short, choppy sentences by linking your thoughts more naturally. Main types of connectors and their use. Addition. Addition connectors are used to add extra information or ideas. Some common addition connectors are and, also, moreover, furthermore, in addition. Example will understand with example. She is smart and hardworking. Moreover, she is very helpful. In the first part, we mention two qualities, smart and hardworking. Then we use the connector moreover to add another quality, very helpful. So, for one person, we are giving three different qualities. The connectors, moreover, help us add information clearly and make the sentence more organized and smooth. Using connectors like moreover help us combine ideas without confusion. It makes it easier for the reader or listener to follow and understand what we are saying. Contrast connectors. Contrast connectors are used to show a difference or express opposite ideas. Some common contrast connectors are but, however, although, on the other hand, whereas. We'll understand with example. I like coffee. However, I prefer tea in the morning. In this sentence, two different ideas are expressed. The person likes coffee, but in the morning they prefer tea. The connector, however, shows the contrast between the two ideas. They help to clearly show when ideas are not the same or when there is a change in thought or opinion. This makes your writing or speaking more logical and easy to follow. The next one is cause and effect connectors are used to show a reason or a result. We use these connectors when something happens because of something else. Common connectors because, so, therefore, as a result, due to, hence. Example you see, it rained heavily, therefore, the match was cancelled. Here, the reason is it rained heavily. The result is the match was cancelled. So, clearly, something happened because of something else. So, this kind of sentence we are using these reason connectors. The connector therefore joins these two ideas and shows the cause effect relationship. These connectors help you explain why something happened or what happened as a result. They make your explanation clear and logical, and help the listener or reader understand the connection between events. So that particular event, what happened in that event, the reason, because of something else, something happened. So it will give clear idea. The next one is sequence or order connectors. Sequence or order connectors are used to show the order of events, steps, or actions. They help us explain things in a step by step manner. See, first, next, then, after that, finally, meanwhile. These we are using to express step by step ideas. We'll understand with example. First, chop the vegetables, then heat the oil in a pan. The connector first tell us what to do at the beginning. So beginning, what we are doing, we are chopping the vegetables, and then the connector then shows the next step, heat the oil in a pan. These connectors help us clearly explain a sequence of action or step by step. We'll understand with one more example. Okay, so first boil some water. Next, add the pasta. Then cook it for 10 minutes. Finally, drain the water and serve. So all most of the connectors I used in this example. So we are showing the complete procedure of cooking pasta step by step. We explained. So for in that kind of sentence, we are using connectors. They make instructions or stories easy to follow and well organized. They guide the reader or listener through each step, one at a time. Comparison connectors. Comparison connectors are used to show similarities between two or more people, things, or ideas. They help us express that something is similar or alike. Similarly, likewise, in the same way. So we'll understand with example. She loves traveling. Likewise, her brother enjoys visiting new places. Both the sister and the brother enjoy similar things. The connectors likewise shows the similarity in their interest. Uh, both are having same interest, same habits. Okay. So when we are comparing, this is comparing two persons, two people, their habits or their qualities. So that time, these kind of connectors we have to use. I will we'll see one more example. Okay, he dances in the same way. He dances in the same way as Michael Jackson. This shows that his dancing style is similar to Michael Jackson's. The connector in the same way compares their style. So we are comparing Michael Jackson dance and the generally someone dance. We are comparing their style. So we are using in the same way connector. They help to link similar ideas, making writing or speech more clear and meaningful. The next one is example or clarification connectors. These we will use to give examples or explain an idea more clearly. They help the listener or reader understand better by showing real or specific examples. For example, for instance, such as, namely, in other words. These all are connectors we are using. Okay, we'll understand with example. Many fruits are rich in vitamins. For example, oranges and mangoes. The first sentence gives a general idea. Many fruits are rich in vitamins. This is general idea. The second sentence gives specific examples of fruits. Those are oranges and mangoes. The connector, for example, introduce these example to explain the idea better. They help to make your message clear by giving real life examples or simplifying the idea. They are useful when you want to explain something in a more detailed way. Okay, so next one is conclusion or summary connectors. These connectors used to end a topics or summarize main points or give a final thought. They help to wrap up what you have said in a clear and organized way. So, common connectors will say in conclusion, to sum up, finally, in short. For understanding better, we'll see example. In conclusion, exercise is essential for a healthy lifestyle. This sentence ends the topic and gives a final message. The connector in conclusion shows that we are finishing our discussion. They help the listener or reader know that the topic is coming to an end. They make your message complete and well structured. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate your support. Please feel free to share my videos with your friends and fellow learners. I will continue to upload more useful and informative content. Stay tuned.